Filing a civil case in Pakistan. Step 1. Consultation with lawyer. Before filing a civil case, it's essential to consult with a lawyer who specializes in civil law. They can assess your case's merits, guide you through the legal process, and prepare the necessary documents. Step 2. Drafting the plaint. The plaintiff, person bringing the case, or their lawyer prepares a written statement known as the plaint. The plaint contains the details of the case, the relief sought, and the legal grounds for the claim. Step 3. Court fee payment. The plaintiff needs to pay the appropriate court fee based on the nature and value of the claim. The court fee is affixed to the plaint. Step 4. Filing the plaint. The plaintiff files the plaint in the appropriate civil court having jurisdiction over the matter. In Pakistan, the hierarchy of civil courts includes the district courts, high courts, and the Supreme Court. Step 5. Issuance of summons. Once the plaint is filed, the court examines it for any defects. If no defects are found, the court issues summons to the defendant, the party against whom the case is filed, to appear in court and respond to the allegations. Step 6. Written statement by defendant. The defendant submits a written statement known as the written statement, in response to the plaint. It contains the defendant's version of the events and defenses. Step 7. Framing of issues. The court identifies the key points of disagreement between the parties and frames issues that need to be decided during the trial. Step 8. Evidence and trial. Both parties present their evidence and witnesses during the trial to support their claims. The court evaluates the evidence and witnesses' testimonies to reach a judgment. Step 9. Judgment. After hearing all arguments and examining the evidence, the court issues a judgment, deciding in favor of one party or the other. The judgment includes the court's decision on the relief sought by the plaintiff. Code of Civil Procedure 1908, CPC. The Code of Civil Procedure 1908, CPC, is the law that governs the civil court proceedings in Pakistan. It provides a framework for how civil cases should be filed, heard, and decided. The CPC is divided into two parts. 1. Part 1 deals with the general principles of jurisdiction, the process of serving summons, appearance of parties, and other preliminary matters. 2. Part 2 covers the proceedings in civil suits, including issues related to the trial, judgments, and appeals. Some important sections of the CPC include: Section 9, Courts to try all civil suits unless barred. Section 20, Place of suing. Section 26, Institution of suits. Section 34, Dismissal of suit where plaintiff fails to pay the court fee. Section 35, Return of plaint. Section 80, Notice before the institution of a suit against the government or public officer. Section 92, Public nuisance and other wrongful acts affecting the public. Section 115, Revision. Section 151, Saving of inherent powers of the court. Orders under the CPC are directions given by the court during the course of the proceedings. Some common orders include: interim orders, orders issued during the pendency of the case, such as injunctions or stays. Decree, the formal expression of the court's decision after hearing the case. Execution order, order for the enforcement of a decree. Appealable orders, orders against which an appeal can be filed. Overall, the Code of Civil Procedure 1908 is a crucial piece of legislation that governs the civil litigation process in Pakistan, ensuring fair and orderly resolution of civil disputes.